The talking parrot. One day, Ahmed bought a parrot and was very excited to teach it to talk. Every morning, he would say, "Good morning," to the parrot, hoping it would repeat after him. After weeks of trying, the parrot still wouldn't say a word. One day, Ahmed forgot to feed the parrot. The next morning, as soon as Ahmed entered the room, the parrot shouted, "Where's my breakfast?" Ahmed was so shocked that he almost dropped his coffee. From that day on, the parrot wouldn't stop talking, especially when it was hungry.